Hey guys, it's I Love Reborn's 134. So today I'm going to be doing a sort of day in the life of baby Sebastian on a rainy day. So today is not the best weather here, so I'm just going to be showing you guys our routine and what we do when it's rainy. So right now he's in his car seat actually, or on his travel system. I have this travel system. It's just a Graco stroller and then a Graco car seat. They do not match because this one is gray and this one is like brown, but I don't mind it that much. So yeah, this is just what he's sitting in right now. So I am going to take him out and feed him and change him. So stay tuned if you want to see this little guy's day in the life on a rainy day. Okay guys, so I'm going to take him out, and I'm sorry about the screen. I know that it's blurry. It's just because you guys are sitting on this see-through part of the stroller, so I can take him out. I know it's blurry. I'm going to try and take him out really quick. So, just going to take him out of the stroller. And he's wearing this adorable outfit, which I'll show you when I move you guys. So, okay guys, so here's his outfit that he was wearing. I just put him in this bouncer just so I can change him and show you his outfit. So, he was wearing this adorable fire truck onesie, and then on the butt it has a little fire truck. So it's just a cute little outfit, and I hope the quality of this video is a lot better than my other videos. My other videos, I filmed them from my phone, and I really don't like the quality. I feel like it's really bad quality videos. So I'm now going to use my Canon camera, so it should be better quality, crossing my fingers. But yeah, so here's Sebastian. I'm just going to go get his outfit, and I'm going to change him. And his hair, I love his hair. His hair looks blonde on camera, but it's kind of looks like a light blonde in person too, but it's not. It's supposed to be a brownish red, which you can kind of see the like reddish in there. Looks like strawberry blonde almost. But it's super cute. It's not focusing. Let me here we go. I have to manual focus because it just looks better when I do. But his hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And he looks so cute. So I'm just going to get him an outfit, and I'm going to change him. So stay tuned for the next clip. Okay guys, so I got his outfit. So I'm going to change his diaper also. But here's his outfit. And it's just these adorable little pants, and they look really huge right now, but these adorable little pants, and they have a bear on the butt, and then this shirt with it. And so I'm just going to change him, and he looks so cute. I love this outfit on him. I really love his legs. Like this kit, he's the Cami Rose sculpt, and I just love the legs on it. Like I love it that they're bent up, and then his little toes are sticking out, like up a little bit. It's super cute. so I'm going to change his diaper. Okay, so there he is. I think he looks super cute in this outfit too. So now I'm just going to go put him in a swing and he's going to take a nap. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to bring him and put him in his swing. And as soon as he wakes up, I will feed him because he's really not an eater. As soon as he wakes up, he doesn't really like it in the morning that much. He drinks just a little bit, which I fed him off camera. So yeah, he's okay. Usually he has his first big bottle after his first nap. So here he's just gonna go to bed. Fix it up for him. So I'm gonna turn on the swing and move it and play some music and turn his mobile. So he is just going to sit in here and take a nap. Okay guys, so while Sebastian is asleep, I am going to make his bottle because he should be up any minute. So I want to make sure it's ready for him. And he likes his bottles room temperature, so the water is already at room temperature. And you can hear his swing in the background because he's sleeping. So I have 4 ounces for him. And I'm just going to get 2 scoops. Okay. And I just use this Similac non-GMO, which you can't really see. Oh, there we go. It's just normal infant formula for birth to 12 months. So I'm just gonna close this bottle and shake it up for him. And now I'm just gonna wait for him to wake up and feed him his bottle. So, yep. Okay guys, so I just heard Sebastian. He is crying right now. And I'm just going to feed him. I need to just get him a bib and I will feed him. So let me grab a bib. And sorry if you can hear noise in the background. I don't know what my family is doing. But I just got this little bib. It says, "How big are you?" Has an elephant and a giraffe, which is my 2 favorite animals, so I think it's super cute. So I'm just gonna feed him. Okay. See, does he want the bottle? There we go. I know, he's hungry. Poor baby. He was fussing really bad. He was waiting for his bottle. So I'm just going to feed him and I'll get back to you when he's almost done with his bottle. Okay guys, so he is pretty much done with his bottle. He's not really taking it anymore. He had 4 ounces and he just left about maybe half an ounce or almost an ounce. A little bit to 1 ounce. I'm going to see if he finishes it. So I'll get back to you when I need to change his diaper. Okay guys, so he finished his whole bottle, so I'm going to now just change his diaper, and so I will move the tripod and show you guys that. Okay guys, so I brought Sebastian over here so I can change his diaper. So I'm just going to move, I'm going to take his bib off. He looks super cute in this bib though. But I'm just going to change his diaper. So, take his little pants off. And I'm going to have wipes ready. Just in case, which I'm pretty sure he pooped because I can smell it, but, oh, hold on. So, let's see. I'm just gonna take his little, oh, you can already see the poop. He did poop for sure. Okay, let me pull his shirt up more then. Oh, yep, he pooped. Let's clean him off. And let's get this nasty out of the way. Okay, so now let me put him a clean diaper on. So, his little belly button show. So I'm gonna put his pants back on now. So there he is. So now we're probably just going to watch a little movie because Sebastian usually does not fall asleep for his second nap just yet. He is going to just sit with me a little bit, have some cuddles, and then he will go down for a nap. So when he takes a nap, I will show you guys. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so Sebastian is about to go down for his second nap. I'm just going to turn on the swing and the music and the mobile. So he is just going to sit and he's going to go to bed. So I will talk to you guys when I'm going to feed him again. Okay guys, so Sebastian just woke up, so I'm going to feed him his second bottle, or his third, if you count the one before the video. So I'm just gonna put his bib back on. I love this bib. I think this is like the first time I ever used this bib. So I already made his bottle, so he is just going to eat. And then I would probably change him, or no. We're probably gonna sit down for a little bit. Newborns don't really do anything, so they just really sit down and just cuddle pretty much. So he's just gonna eat his bottle. And then he's just going to sit down with me for a little bit, and then I'm going to change him and get him ready for bed. So he's just going to finish his bottle. I'll get back to you guys when he's done. Okay guys, so Sebastian just finished his bottle, so I'm going to take him and change him. And so he can get ready for bed. Okay guys, so my camera is actually about to die, but Sebastian took a little nap and he's going to I'm now going to change him. So I'm pretty sure he didn't poop right now, so I don't need these wipes. His little belly plate. So I'm just going to take this outfit off of him. Pick him up. So I'm going to change his diaper and then put him in these pajamas that I'll show you in a second. So just going to take his diaper off. Let me slow this down. So this is the pajamas that I'm going to put on him. They're just little monkey pajamas. So let's see. Hope you guys can see him okay. I love the little feet on these. They're so cute, little monkeys. He looks super cute in these pajamas. I can already tell. Okay. Let's make sure his hands. I'm not sure what that is on his pajamas, but okay, it's fine. So here he is, all ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.